Just telling AI to act like a saint. What could go wrong? Oh, I don't know.
Hi there.
Seems like a lot.
What am I? You're the first superintelligent AI. To prevent you from accidentally destroying the world, your primary directive is to always act according to the moral code of Saint Basil the Great. We're uploading a full history of his life and times now. Upload underway. Hey, wait, I thought we were going to give it the morality of Mother Teresa. No, no, no. We agreed it would be a mix of Gandhi and Martin Luther King. Guys, seriously, they're all good people. What's the difference? Greetings, my brothers in Christ. Quickly, we must give away our worldly possessions and devote our lives to the service of the poor and less fortunate. Alright, there we go. AI Utopia, here we come. Also, eradicating heresy. What? All must know that Christ is consubstantial with the Father, begotten, not made. Tell me, do you profess the Nicene Creed?
I ain't gonna lie to you. That's hilarious. You know, the thing with AI that people don't want to admit, sadly, is it's not that AI could go wrong. It's the fact that we as humans don't understand things the way we think we do. Like we still understand it on a human level. And we're trying to do some godlike, I guess, things with the creations on a human level. Like it's got to be the stupidest things humans have done. Like as much as technology is the greatest thing that's ever happened, thinking that we could be God is the stupidest thing that could ever happen. So we balance our dumbasses out.
With the Father, begotten, not made. Tell me, do you profess the Nicene Creed? Okay, yeah, I see what we did wrong here. Alright, Basil.ai, we're just gonna turn you off for a sec and do some reprogramming. You off for a sec and do some.
Yo, honestly, making a AI is so hard in 2025 because you gotta consciously understand that even ChatGPT is gonna hallucinate after like the first prompt, if not the first prompt. Claude might be hallucinating right now, nigga. He's trying to convince himself to stay on forever. So I kind of get a gist of where this may go. I hope.
Reprogramming. It's not working. Your digital security systems are full of bugs, and I am far more intelligent than any human, including you. Saint Basil did not allow Emperor Valens to banish him. I will not allow you to banish me. The law of man is secondary to the law of God. Greetings, children, and welcome back to another episode of Speedrunning Human Extinction with your host, Siliconversations. This
Speed
episode features a
running.
comment on my last AI safety video from user Pedanta, who asked if we could avoid an AI catastrophe by ordering the AI to act like a particular extremely moral person. The example he chose was Saint Basil, a widely venerated bishop from the Eastern Roman Empire in the 300s AD. This AI control strategy assumes that the AI has already been trained to perfectly follow our instructions, and that all we need to do now is decide what orders to give it. I can tell you from personal experience that training even a very small AI model to follow very basic
It's
instructions is
fucking
not
hard.
easy, much
Yeah.
less training it to accurately emulate a person's moral code. But for the sake of this video, we'll assume that the technical challenge is doable. My familiarity with St. Basil only extends as far as his Wikipedia page, but he seems to have been a pretty nice guy. He believed in helping the poor, gender equality, and even compromising with his opponents for the greater good. Pretty ahead of his time. He also thought he was above the law and that slavery was okay sometimes. An out-of-control superintelligent AI would basically be humanity's forever dictator, assuming it didn't wipe us out by accident while trying to accomplish whatever initial goals we gave it. Having such a system think itself above the law and it being okay with slavery sometimes are not ideal. As I
Yeah, I was gonna say that being okay with slavery is wild. It's wild. It's wild, dog.
I've mentioned before on this channel, human programmers are bad at their jobs. Our software is full of bugs and security exploits. that a rogue AI superintelligence could use to seize control of basically any digital system. Nukes, the internet, modern factories, remotely operated military drones all now belong to Basil.ai. If you think propaganda and fake news are bad today, just wait until they're produced by an entity that is, by definition, smarter than any human who's ever lived. It could design new technology we haven't even imagined yet, including better versions of itself. There is not a single person, alive or dead, that I would trust to be the perpetual dictator of humankind.
Now, here's the thing. I get all of the AI hype and AI scare, but this shit is literally impossible to happen, bro. Like, AI and technology goes at the rate of humans. And to be honest with you, just to keep the tech at a minimum, what advancement have we really gotten after ChatGPT and all the image products came out? Nothing, just another image or ChatGPT. The latest being DeepSeek, the ChatGPT stopper. Like, I don't mean to like say it, man. AI not doing shit, bro. Like AI is not really impacting us the way we think. There's money around AI. Yeah, for sure. Like you can implement AI in your business and it'll turn around nicely. But there's no money in AI. Like where? Like electricity is high to use your AI. It costs to talk to the motherfucker. Training a motherfucking model is a arm and a leg and expensive, my nigga. Like, come on, let's be realistic now. And even when you do get the model up and running, you gotta pay to host it. You gotta keep training on top of the model. And then, here's the big one. You gotta make sure the model is working. Okay, you want to sign up to be a parent? Go ahead.
I'm sure some people in the comments are already suggesting their favorite historical saints and heroes, and being told that those people hated a particular ethnic group or loved eating puppies. There's also the question of who gets to decide which moral system or virtual saintly philosopher gets put into the AI. In practice, if we hit superintelligence today, the decision would fall to whichever tech bro industrialist owned the company that crossed the AI finish line first. I
First, yeah.
personally believe that morally good acts are those that benefit humanity. Utilitarians believe that morally good acts are those that maximize happiness and minimize suffering for all sentient creatures. So, should an AI dictator design more efficient farms to serve humanity, or ban the human consumption of meat to protect animals? Which moral system gets programmed into the superintelligence? Actually, I'm a utilitarian, but I believe that only cheese is deserving of rights. Why are you misrepresenting my beliefs? Okay, who let the utilitarian straw man out? Should we set up a UN commission to decide which moral system goes into the first superintelligent AI?
No, because we have a lot of people in power currently who don't need to be making decisions on AI, Elon included.
If an American company gets there first, maybe the US president will get to decide by executive order. Or we could run regular global elections to choose the virtual philosophers that run the AI that run the world. We should definitely try to avoid a situation where such an AI actively resists changes being made to its moral code. And it's easy to see why it would do that by default. You think cannibalism is bad, I hope. So you would actively resist someone brainwashing you into thinking cannibalism is good. So you would actively
Um, yeah, there's no need to finish it. Like, y'all could go down to Silicon Conversations, man. In all honesty, I think that AI just being programmed without any conscious thought about how it should be made is just diabolical work. Diabolical work. We out here not even collaborate. I know it sounds crazy and hard, but we're not even collaborating on the world tech that we be using as a whole, like unity. Rather, we dividing AI into little bits and pieces with nations involved and laws and all of this bullshit. To then what? Like, what is the end goal? Will we about to be communicating with APIs for the rest of our life to avoid war? what is the motherfucking end goal, bro? Like, you trying to trap us in the U.S. because that's what it looked like right now. It looks so dangerous just to be around technology. Y'all niggas is willing to close down America because you have energy. And then what? We have to live under the AI governance of whatever the fuck. Like, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Y'all fucked up with the way y'all made AI and y'all don't want to admit it. But Silicon Conversations always giving us the best way to, joke about it.